So hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream video. Sorry, and again, don't forget to like up the video. And in today's video, what we have is a 100 amp panel that's being installed on the second floor in the home. Also very important to make sure that the proper sizing of cable is used to power up the 100 amp panel. Also very important to make sure that your breakers are positioned properly inside of the panel, preventing them from being loose. Also is So hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. And again, in today's video, what we have is just an installation of a box and how I go about using my tools provided to me in order to make this happen. In some cases, we don't always have the proper material that we need or whatever it may be, but we somehow have to make use of what we have, and that's what I'm simply doing in this video. I'm going to be installing this box, and I need to have my connectors installed inside of the box. Very important not to forget the installation of your connectors when it comes to electrical. And again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. Living my best life at 60. Again, thank you for tuning in to today's live stream. So hello, and in today's video what we simply have going on here is the installation of a box that's going to be going on to the wall. Again, very important not to forget to maintain the code rules that are laid out inside of the electrical code book. Very important when it comes for final inspection, not to miss a beat, not to have anything off balance that will interrupt your passing of the electrical inspection. So again, don't forget to like up the video, stay tuned to the end of the video, and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can also become a member also in the link provided. So again, please sit back and enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So as we wind down to the video and going to the next video, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So hello, welcome back to the channel. As we wind down to the entire video that was put together in pieces of videos provided from other sceneries. I do hope that you guys would have enjoyed the entire video. And again, don't forget to like up the video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe, or don't forget to either become a member of the channel. And as we wind down to the end of the video, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Okay, hello and good morning to all my subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I'm basically going to be prepping for my service 400 amp panel. please, hello and welcome again. Please like, share and subscribe. This is basically my 400 amp panel, which I removed all the components from inside so I can open the panel. You can see this is the panel covers that I had to remove in order to mount the panel on the plywood. Good morning, Only Good Karma, baby. Again, always supporting the channel as I continue to play my videos. I'm still working on my my installation of my new panel. So what I'm going to be doing is clearing this whole area for my new panel. I have to clear everything to make sure I have enough room. The panel will be a lot bigger. So before I install my new panel, I want to make sure that everything is cleared. No obstacles is in my way. And this is the new panel. But I'm going to be taking this panel and flipping it the other way because the main comes in this way. So for that reason, I have to flip my panel the other direction instead of being the normal way. So now this is allowed because there's a code rule that states that your breaker has to be a certain height. So this is within my certain height, so I can take this panel and flip it the other way, and that's exactly what I'm going to do to make this work. Okay, just gonna knock out this installation. Once I install my panel, I don't need to play around with here because it's going to give me problems. So the key to installing a panel fast and efficiently is to prep everything. Make sure that you don't forget the simple stuff that you need to do before you install this panel. This will be one of them. So that's basically what I'm doing in this video. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to my videos and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Two wires into one grommet. So the trade name is grommet. It's basically a connector. I'm basically having problems with this, so I'm just going to cut this off and get rid of it. So it's now 11:18 and I'm still waiting on the inspector. He should be here around between 11 and 1. See, it's very messy in here. There's not a lot of room there. wiring circuits here I have. I'm just going to get rid of these ground wires because okay, only good karma. I will again thank you for Ezariah Scott. Thank you for checking into the live stream, and thank you for so as you can see, I'm not twisting them, I'm just putting them together so they go into the same ground screw, under the same ground screw. The reason why I do not twist my wires is because if I have to, if there's a problem and I have to troubleshoot, then I have to remove all the grounds from the bar, and it just does not make sense. So I don't twist my grounds. Again, also this is just a video. Please don't try this at home. If you have to, contact a licensed electrical contractor. You can see I have a lot of wires still to go. This side is basically finished. And I always use my connector. And now this is washroom GFI, so I'm just going to mark it. Don't need a whole lot, and remember I always cut my wires one by one, never two or three. It's a dead short. Okay, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fading Electrical Services Inc. So basically in today's video I'm going to be showing you my panel installation. This panel is basically on the first floor of the house I'm currently working at. And as you can see, I have these two sets of wires. These two sets of wires are basically for my boiler cables. These are my boiler cables. They're going to be 20 amp receptacles, possibly single pole or two pole, I'm not sure. The boiler cables or the boilers are not in yet, so I just ran my wire so I don't have any issues at the end of the job. As you can see, I have all my circuits labeled with the red tape. Once I'm ready to install my breakers, I will have my circuits here. These white wires are basically 14 amps. So 14 gauge wire, which will go onto a 15 amp breaker. It's possible it could be an arc fall or it could be a 15 amp regular breaker. Then I have these two blue cables. They're basically same thing, 15 amp breakers. And if you go down here, you'll see I have this. This is basically the name that I wrote onto the wire, so when I'm ready to install my breaker, I will know the destination of this wire. This is my 20 amp cable here. This 20 amp cable is basically going to be for a wine cooler. This cable here is number 6, which is going to be for EV charger, which is inside the garage. And if I go on this side here, I have my orange cable. These cables here are all for, this will be for my dryer. And I have 20 amp cable here, which will take a 20 amp breaker. And then you'll see all of these cables here. These cables, these blue cables are basically for the cameras throughout the house. These cables are for the Lutron system. And then I have my data cable. This whole area here will be a cabinet inside this area where I would have all my security panel, my Lutron panel, everything that's going to be in here. And then this will be for the feeder to feed this panel. Okay. And I have my plywood, which is a backing. Basically, I put the sheet of plywood, install my panel, and my panel is nice and secure. And as you can see here, I have this is my neutral bus bar. This is my ground bus bar here. So my ground wires will land here. My neutral wires will land here. This will be where my breakers will be installed all in here, both sides. And it's very important to try to not overload one side. You basically have to balance out your panel. So if I have a couple 15 amps on one side, a couple 15 amps on the other side, I have to balance out this panel with some 20 amps on each side, 40 amps, stuff like that. I cannot overload one side. Once you start to overload one side with too many high breakers, then the panel is not going to work as efficiently as it should. So it's always important to not overload or to not have your panel unbalanced. Your panel has to be balanced out in order for your circuits to work properly. So thank you. This is just a short video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a full roughing of the first floor that I recently finished. So right here, as you can see, we're going to have a security wire. Also, if you see, we're going to have a keypad here. I have some switches on this wall. Also at the entrance, I'm going to have some receptacles. Good morning. If you see, I have one here. I have another receptacle
into the live stream. And I thank you again for supporting the channel.
We go into this room
because I continue to run my videos. So this is a live stream. I'm just running my videos.
You can see my wire is all neatly strapped down. In this room, I'm gonna have one data for the TV, one receptacle for the TV, my switches to control this room, my receptacles for this room, Halter code. I'll have a data on this wall. I have a data, one receptacle for the floor. This room here is going to be a washroom. As you see, I have my fan here, a couple pot lights, LED mirror, GFI receptacle for the sink. I have one receptacle for the toilet, and I have my switches. We leave this room here, and we go over to this room. You're going to see I have some pot lights with center light. This wire here is basically for the LED strip light. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this side for the pot light. It's also it's called a three-way switch. I have my receptacles. This here is going to be a receptacle for the gas fireplace. And then I'm going to have my security contacts for the windows, along with my wiring for the shade windows. We leave this area. We're going to go into this room, which is another washroom. Two pot lights, one fan, two pendants. I have my receptacle for my LED mirror, receptacle for the GFI. In here, there's no receptacle for the toilet because of the, obviously this is a new style toilet, so it doesn't call for a receptacle. Here I have my switches for this washroom, and if we go into this area, it's going to be one receptacle here, some pot lights, LED strip lights. If you see the way I tuck my wire out so it's not lost in the drywall, and my switches for this washroom, sorry, not washroom, for this room. We go over to this next room here. You'll see I have my pot lights, center light, I have speaker cables I also have another cable for my LED strip. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this location also. Okay, here I'm going to have a GFI. There's going to be a sink here, wash basin. This is a nanny kitchen. Butler kitchen. We go into this area. You're going to see I have my receptacle for my microwave. I have a couple receptacles for the counter, auto code. There's going to be a mini fridge here. Freezer. This is going to be a dishwasher. And then going to this area, this is my kitchen. I have a 20 amp fridge receptacle. I have wall oven receptacle. On this wall I have my receptacles that's going to be underneath the cabinet, the counter. I have a hood fan, LED strip lights. I have my stove, one gas stove. By code I have to provide another stove receptacle. And then this area is going to be my counter. These two areas, you'll see I have my receptacles coming up. Dishwasher, counter receptacles. You also see I have some pot lights, speaker cable, one center light. I have more pot lights here, speaker cable, one center light. Going to this area, I have my pot lights with my center light. I have my security wire for the smoke. I have one motion wire for the security. Also I have some contacts for the windows and the shade blinds. In this area is going to be my switches to control the kitchen. I have one keypad here. And then we go into this area where you're going to see I have my switches. These are all going to be controlling the outside lights and some lights inside the entrance here. This room is the main family room. You see I have a receptacle on the top. This is for a sink and GFI. Then I have my plugs on this wall. This is going to be a fireplace, TV, data. In this area I also have speakers along with pot lights. This is going to be one center light with speakers, some pot lights in this area. Also I have my security door window contacts, shade windows. Another set of speakers. LED strip light wire hanging. And this will be my switches for that room, family room. This is the elevator. These wires are going to be basically for the under the stairs lighting. We go into this room. You see I have a smoke detector, 2 lights. This area is another washroom. Fans, 2 pot lights, 2 wall lights, GFI, LED mirror. switches. The wire is all neatly strapped. In this area, we're going to have a kitchen. way of stripping my wire. And as you can see, I'm going to leave this on. So this has the marking to get to where this wire is going to land. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video what you simply have is me installing my breakers into the panel, balancing up the panel correctly, and also installing my power wires. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can leave a like and share the video. You can also comment in the comment section. And also please just sit back and enjoy the video, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So this one actually has the tail. It's a 15 amp arc fall breaker, dual function. This is a 20 amp, don't need this one yet. For the hood fan, we'll get an arc fault. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Want to give a shout out to Trill, Elijah, One Guy's Our Uncle, Real Vice TV, Jamaica Vibe Entertainment. So in today's video, I'm going to be removing my wires from the panel to get ready for my new panel. This stove wire I won't be using anymore. Also the dryer I won't be using anymore. It's being upgraded to gas. So hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as you see in today's video, what I'm simply doing is removing the wires from the panel for a service change. Also, who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead subscribe to the channel. You can also like and share the video, and also when you subscribe to the channel, make sure your notification is turned to all, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Also, I'm not sure why they didn't ground this wire off. So I'm just going to strip this. As you can see, I like to use a lot of my planing tools. Sorry, Milwaukee. basically what I'm putting is a running board. Anytime you have the attic, you have to put a running board to protect your wires from being damaged. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. As you can see, it's a high ceiling, so I have to install a running board across wherever my wire is running, so I can obviously protect the wires from being damaged if someone has to walk in the attic or anything like that. So basically this is how So hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream video. Sorry, and again, don't forget to like up the video. And in today's video, what we have is a 100 amp panel that's being installed on the second floor in the home. Also very important to make sure that the proper sizing of cable is used to power up the 100 amp panel. Also very important to make sure that your breakers are positioned properly inside of the panel, preventing them from being loose. Also it's So hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. And again, in today's video, what we have is just an installation of a box and how I go about using my tools provided to me in order to make this happen. In some cases, we don't always have the proper material that we need, or whatever it may be, but we somehow have to make use of what we have, and that's what I'm simply doing in this video. I'm going to be installing this box, and I need to have my connectors installed inside of the box. Very important not to forget the installation of your connectors when it comes to electrical. And again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So hello, and in today's video what we simply have going on here is the installation of a box that's going to be going on to the wall. Again, very important not to forget to maintain the code rules that are laid out inside of the electrical code book. Very important when it comes for final inspection, not to miss a beat, not to have anything off balance that will interrupt your passing of the electrical inspection. So again, don't forget to like up the video. Stay tuned to the end of the video, and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can also become a member also in the link provided. So again, please sit back and enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So as we wind down to the video, I'm going to the next video. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So hello, welcome back to the channel. Live stream, and I'd like to thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. Again, come in, don't forget to you can like up the live. It's free. Sorry, I said that already. You can also become a member of the channel.